Namaste. Welcome to RSV Group of Schools YouTube channel. I, Kamakshi Kukreja, is here to discuss on importance of forests. Forests are very important. They give us so many things. A large number of things we get from forests. Along with that, they also do many other tasks for us. Let us see what are they. First, forest maintains balance of gases. Forests, they absorb carbon dioxide that is released by us and use this carbon dioxide to produce food by the process of photosynthesis. While doing this process, they release oxygen, which is required by us. Without oxygen, we know that we cannot survive. Hence, they balance the gases, that is carbon dioxide and oxygen level in the atmosphere. Second is, forests prevent soil erosion. Soil erosion is the removal of top fertile soil of any region. It can be done by wind, rain or flowing water. So if the soil is removed, which is having nutrients, after some time it becomes barren, unfertile, and it cannot be used for crop production. So we need to prevent soil erosion, and this is done by forest. How does the forest do this? The trees of the forest, they hold the soil. When the roots are being fixed in the soil, they indirectly hold the soil, and by this they prevent the soil from being carried away by the wind or washed away by the water. Next is, forest prevents floods and replenish groundwater. Forests act as a big check dams and control floods. They do this by decreasing the speed of the water. As the speed of the water decreases, the water gets collected between the roots of the trees, and as this get collected, they get time to percolate down into the ground. This increases our groundwater level, which is known as to replenish groundwater. Now, why do we need groundwater? Groundwater is required because the rains are not there in India for the full year. It is hardly in India, it rains for 3 to 4 months. So, rest of the year we try to obtain the water from groundwater and try to carry out our daily activities with this groundwater. So, we are dependent on this groundwater for maximum time. Next is, forest provides food and shelter to wildlife. Forests, they are homes for wild animals and many plant species. Wild animals get food and shelter, and hence they need the forest. Next is, even in India, tribal people are found living in the forest. Their requirements are also fulfilled by the forest. Tribal people get food, shelter, water, and even medicines from the forest. Next is, forest maintains water cycle in the nature. Forest, it is regularly maintaining the water cycle in a large quantity. This is done by removal of the water from the leaves of the plant by the process of transpiration. So, transpiration is the process by which extra water is removed from the plants, and this water goes up, cools down and forms clouds, and thus it comes down in the form of rain. Forest is also a source of wood. Many trees that grow in the forest are used to be a source of wood. The examples are sisam, teak, sal, rosewood. Good quality of wood is used to make furniture, boats, even for housing. It is used to make houses also, it is used, and even to make sports wood. Wood is also used as a fuel in many houses for cooking food. paper, which is in turn used to make newspapers, magazines, books, etc. Forest is also a source of variety of products. That means it provides us large number of products. Like many trees that grow are used in the preparation of medicines. Example is the bark of cinchona tree. It is used to obtain medicine known as quinine, which is used in the treatment of malaria. Even Taxol is a substance obtained from some trees that is used to fight against special type of cancer. Turpentine is the substance obtained from gum or resin of the pine trees, and this turpentine is used as a thinning agent in varnishes and paints. Even forests are used to obtain rubber. Rubber is obtained from the rubber trees. Even gum is obtained from gum trees. The trees which give us gum are pecan and babool. Next is even oil is obtained from trees like eucalyptus and sandalwood tree, which is used to make perfumes and dyes. Forests reduce pollution. The next importance of forest is they reduce pollution. This is done by them. This is done by the forest by absorbing carbon dioxide, and even the trees of the forest bind the soil and reduce contamination of dust in the air. Trees also absorb sound, hence they reduce noise pollution also. Forests are also nowadays used as a source of recreation. Many forests are being developed into parks where people can go and do camping, they can do trekking, hiking, and even go for relaxation. Hence, we can say that forests are of great use to us. They are having a great importance in our life. Let us revise once what forests do for us. Forest, as we have discussed, is a source of wood. That is, the wood is used for many purposes. It may be for making sports item, furniture, for constructing houses, or even for making books and magazines or newspaper. It is also used for obtaining medicines, gums, rubber, and even Taxol is a medicine used to fight against certain type of cancer. Even we get turpentine from the wood, from the trees of certain types, which is used as a thinning agent in paints and varnishes. Forests also reduce pollution, and they are a source of recreation. We also see that forests maintain water balance in the nature. They also maintain the balance of gases in the nature like carbon dioxide and oxygen. They also bring rain and even prevent floods and help to increase the groundwater level, which is very important for us. Thank you.